welcome back to India Post Live, India's first online live news interactive conversation portal. As you all know, India Post Live is your very own platform where you too can participate by sending us your participant requests. Well, I'm Isamu Bhutia. Joining me today on this musical Friday afternoon is a fusion band called Spice Route. Well, they are known for their best known for their soulful songs, and their original compositions are a blend of Indian classical and contemporary sound. I am joined in the studio by Varun and Chinmay and Vikram. Welcome to India Post Live, guys.
Thank you. Pleasure to be here.
So what's up? How are you guys today?
Doing great.
How's the weather outside? Chilly. Winter is coming.
Yeah.
Chilly and sunny. Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah. So tell us a bit about your band, Spice Route. How did it happen?
How did it happen? Actually, we started off a few months back. The idea was to make a band which has a fine blend of a little bit of classical music. That was actually my background. I'm a singer and a songwriter, and we all came together to do this. We are all from diverse backgrounds. Like for example, Vikram, his background is completely into blues and jazz. Correct me if I'm wrong here. And he's into that space. I have learnt classical music, but the songs are a little contemporary. They have some mix of classical music in them. Some fusion is there. He is a percussionist, and he, tell us a little bit more about your background.
I'm a tabla player originally, and I also belong to the same Indian classical background.
So your band is mix of everything, yeah?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, pretty much. I mean, I'm...
Different things,
Yeah.
you can say.
So our bass player obviously has like all Western music influence. Drummer interestingly has both influences equally, like the Indian and the Western influences equally in him.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's kind of an interesting mix.
How many
think
of you
all-
are there in the band?
We are 5 of us.
Five.
Five of
Yeah.
you?
Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty big.
Yeah.
And when was the band formed?
It has been close to 6-7 months now.
Oh,
So
pretty
we've been doing some shows here locally, now also moving out of Delhi NCR. So we are now going to the Northeast for some of the shows coming up in Guwahati, Shillong. It's like a three gig tour that we are doing. It's called the Peace Jam. So we are going there. And so it's been a short time, but it's been an interesting journey. And now, since we have a lot of our original music, so we are focusing on those and planning to take it up, building more songs, doing some more collaborations, interesting collaborations, and then that's where the focus is.
So, Vikram, tell us a bit about you. As Chinmay said, you come from jazz background. Tell us about yourself.
Actually, jazz came late. Like during my school days, I start with my mother was a classical singer, so I have some knowledge. Fortunate to know some knowledge regarding classical Hindustani classicals. Then I played accordion previously. Then I shift to guitar very late after my matriculation.
Varun is pretty shocked.
I didn't know the accordion bit. Yeah, actually.
He goes like, oh.
Then I was playing like Sunil Ganguly, Bollywood classic songs at All India Radio when I was a kid. Then I grew up like that, and meeting new friends. Then I go like rock, heavy metal. I start with Metallica and all.
Oh.
Then obviously, since I'm from Imphal. Then after that I met from Calcutta. I was meeting some good musicians there, jazz, blues. Then, since music is a beautiful journey.
So were you part of other bands as well before joining Spice Route?
Yeah.
What about you, Varun?
I was and still am a part of a couple of bands. So there is one band which is called the Sushmit Sen Chronicles that I play with. I also play with. There's another band, the first band that I started playing with 8 years back, called Fire Exit. Now it's called Sage and the Comets. So that I play with this another singer-songwriter from Kurukshetra, a great musician called Harpreet. So in fact, I have a show with him on the 15th in Lucknow.
That's
so that,
tomorrow.
Which is tomorrow. I am flying out to Lucknow tomorrow. Yeah. So that, and with Chinmay actually it was funny actually. I'll tell you why. Because Chinmay had posted on Facebook saying that I need a tabla player. Yes, you posted on Facebook.
I did.
And a lot of people, including my friends, had, and few of them have suggested some players, and few of them had posted the numbers. And I never do that, okay, generally. I for some reason thought this is an interesting exercise, and I just posted my number. And then she happened to speak to one of my seniors in the field of tabla, Mohit,
yeah.
Mohit Lal. He plays with this band called Advaita.
Advaita.
And he suggested my name then, and that's how I came in touch with Chinmay.
That's how we connected.
Yeah, and then obviously like I've been playing with Spice Route for about 3 months, 4 months.
3 to 4 months.
3
yeah.
to 4 months. We've done 2-3 odd shows we've done, and interestingly, I had prepared this in the morning, so I will say this. Interestingly,
He's come prepared.
yeah, because I'll tell you why. Interestingly, initially I thought this will be like another setup wherein you're doing sessions, you know, like you're just going, playing and coming back, you know. And I thought that, you know, not too many inputs would be needed and whatnot. But having said that, interestingly, now we've gone into a different phase altogether, wherein we have actually changed
We've changed quite a bit in the
quite a
set
bit.
after he joined in, and he's actually, you know, in the sense he's taking care of the entire sound of the band, and which was very crucial for the band to do it together, because we all come from diverse backgrounds. We have our own inputs, but you know, you need someone who puts everything together and
Yeah.
make sure that the sound is right, the overall sound package is right. That's what he's working on currently. So
Yeah.
his earlier thought that he'll just be, you know, like one player on board. That's not happening.
But that's not
That's
happening.
not happening. That's not happening. So that was interesting actually. I never thought that I would end up playing like considerable amount of role in the band, but yeah, now I am, and the best part is that everybody in the band, including Chinmay, because ideally this is her idea, her concept, her project, but it's good to be with musicians who are always open to ideas.
ideas.
And because right now, like, we are introducing click tracks and backing tracks and all that, which is a lot of headache generally to pull off in a live show. And you know, generally people are not very cool with it. Nahi, like, you know, like, no, it's a pain and all of that. But no, that was not the case in here. Like, everybody, the first time I gave that option, everybody openly accepted the you know, the suggestion, and we worked on it, and we finally have succeeded somewhat.
Right.
Okay,
So,
well, I'm joined online by Ankit and Shubho. Ankit and Shubho, welcome back.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Ankit, so today we have Spice Route in the studio. Have you heard them before?
No, not much. I heard them for the first time, but I'd just like to say that Chinmay has an exceptional voice, so she's gifted. And they have really a nice teamwork, and I like the music pretty well.
Okay, Ankit. Thank you, Ankit. Well, just get back to Shubho. Shubho, are you there?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. Shubho, so please, your thoughts and
my
comments when
question-
you first heard Spice Route.
Yeah, awesome music. And my question to them is, what is that X factor? Or I would say that, what is the special spice they have to keep them pumped up? Because there are so many bands out there.
Right. So, you know, it's not that we really thought about it, you know, this will be our spice and this will be our USP. But I think what I see it as is that there are not too many bands which have a strong melody and good lyrics, and as well the music is rhythmic. So I think that is what I would say our USP is, because we hear, I mean, that's my personal view, but I hear a lot of bands these days who are into the rock space, and they have great music, they are great in their own way, but somewhere I find that either melody is missing or I'm not able to relate to the words of those. So to me, meaning of songs is equally important. Melody is very important, because that's the kind of, you know, that's how I've grown on music. Melody is very important to me and lyrics is very important to me. And then music which you feel, you know, it's rich music. It's as rhythmic and melodious as, you know, it's equally melodious and rhythmic. That's, I think, the USP should be. That's why, you know, Varun's role is equally important, and Vikram's role is equally important, because it's the fine blend of melody and rhythm, and plus the lyrics. I think that also people appreciate that as well. So I think these I would count as the good points.
So what's the theme of your songs, Chinmay?
See, mostly like the one which we just sang, Dari, it is based on Rag Basant. So a lot of songs have slight influence of nature in them because I write poetry and all, and most of my poetry and everything is usually nature oriented. And other songs, some of them are also slightly romantic songs. This song particularly, Dari, it looks like it's a bandish. It's not really taken as a bandish. I have not learned Basant, but it had a very strong basis of that rag. So it looks like it's a bandish, but it's an original song. It's very much like a bandish. That's how it is. And other songs, they are all either they have some base of yeah, you can say a lot of them are nature influenced songs. That's how they are.
So the first one you played was Bandish.
It wasn't a bandish, but it's based strongly on a raga. I told the rag is Rag Basant. So it sounds like very much like a bandish,
Okay.
but it's not that it is an existing bandish and we have taken it. No.
So how many
It's been
songs do you
created.
have? I mean, how many compositions you have so far?
We have like now around 12-13 good songs,
Okay.
originals.
Are you planning any album soon?
I think we'll record a lot of singles now, and then we'll start releasing singles maybe from January or February in the coming year. We are planning that.
So Ankit, do you have any requests?
Yeah, she just told us that they sing also some romantic songs. So why not any of their romantic songs?
Sure.
Romantic number.
love to do
Ankit is
that.
feeling romantic today.
All right. Great. So this is for you, Ankit.
Thank you.
The song is called Chal Chale. It's a Hindi song. Yeah. चल चले हम यूं ही एक दिन कहीं दूर ना बजा ना पता रास्ता भी लापता बस यूं ही कहीं दूर चल चले हम यूं ही एक दिन कहीं दूर सुरमई से कोई शाम हो शाम से ही कोई बात हो गुनगुनाती हुई सी हवा रंग में डूबी हुई सी फिजा ले चलो ना ले चलो चल चले हम यूं ही एक दिन कहीं दूर होश में आए ना दिन कभी शाम के बाद जो रात हो वक्त थम जाए उलझा हुआ हाथ में जो तेरा हाथ हो ले चलो ना ले चलो चल चले हम यूं ही एक दिन कहीं दूर कहीं दूर कहीं दूर
Well, Ankit, I hope you're happy now.
yeah, that was awesome. Like, hats off to them and amazing music. Amazing. That was really,
Thank
really,
you.
really nice.
Thank you,
And
Ankit.
Vikram,
Thank you so much.
and just a message for Vikram, you're an amazing guitarist. Amazing.
Thank you, Ankit. We'll just get back to you, Ankit. Well, Chinmay, you very interesting thing. You've played with some of the best musicians in the country, like from Bobby Cash to I was just listening to your that song with Bobby Cash. It's amazing, and with Rahul Ram of Indian Ocean as well, right?
That was a small
You like your
collaboration
PR,
we did.
you've
Yeah, for a
collaborated
song
with them.
Fakira. Yeah, that's
so
right.
tell us a bit about that. How was it playing with these people?
Well, obviously very overwhelming because when you work with people like those who are so senior and who are, legends in their own right.
field, yeah.
One, the learning experience is phenomenal. And it's not just music, also, the kind of people they are, like, for example, Bobby Cash. He's someone who practices almost 18 hours, 20 hours a day still. That's his lifestyle. He's always with a guitar. And you see that in his music. So you get to learn also a lot as a person watching him. And just because you got to play with him or collaborate with him, musically also it's extremely enriching. So I'm sure, all of us would agree because more with diverse people like the kind of artist he is
Yeah.
playing with and the kind of artist he is and he's playing with or earlier he has played with, a lot of influence happens and you learn so much by just watching or playing with them. So it's not that you have to go to school, but more collaborations that you do, more diverse kind of people you play with, you get to learn a lot. I think with Vikram sir, I've learned a lot just by listening to him and watching him. With him, I get to learn a lot from the rhythm point of view.
So what tell us
Everything.
We are all learning.
Sorry?
Music is never ending. It's a learning
Music,
process.
yeah, of course. So what tell us about your live performance? Where all have you performed so far?
I've been in numerous places, like from like this smaller venue to this bigger venue.
Okay.
So because I'll tell you situations like I have played in venues wherein I'm playing the tabla sitting on this smaller sound box and I have like a staircase running right next to me. So I'm like that. So I have played a venue like that to playing a venue wherein the distance between me and the drummer is probably more than 10 feet. So that long. So yeah, different sorts of venues we've played. I've played a lot of venues with Chronicles that I started playing with a year back. We've done Virasat Festival in Dehradun. We played the Saak Festival. We've played the Outlandish Festival in McLeodganj. A lot of other gigs that we've played. Then with my other band, Sage and the Comets, we have played in Bombay. We were a part of this thing. There's a rock band competition channel. I am forgetting the name. So that we did, and we've played multiple venues. Yeah, Gurgaon, Delhi, outside Delhi. Recently, I was fortunate enough to be a part of a musical tour to Egypt with Teamworks Production. So 7-8 years. Yeah, I don't even remember now. Like how many.
So what is it like, to perform live, in front of like this huge audience, and do you get this jitters before the shows?
I for every gig I do.
And how do you handle
It
mistakes, during a live show if something
I
goes
think we
wrong?
just smile at each other.
Yeah?
Like so for Spice Route, I can tell that I know for a fact that if we commit a mistake, Vikram sir is going to turn back and smile at me. I know that for sure.
So that's when you know that okay, something is
No,
wrong.
you still can't figure. I'll tell you why. Because he's always smiling on stage. So you don't know which smile is for what. So that's the thing.
So I guess he'll have to come up with something else now to signal.
Probably make a frowning face.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, Shubho is back. Shubho, are you there with us? Yeah, Shubho?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, Chinmay, how was it collaborating with Rahul Ram?
It's a great experience. I did it for one of the songs in the album. It was Fakira, and I did not know him, but I had obviously heard his voice, and Indian Ocean we all have heard. So I just wanted someone who has a very rustic voice and who has a very earthy voice to sing on it. So I just went to him, and I had not even thought that he would agree because he's such a big musician, and I thought, why would he even consider it? So I just went to him just to try my luck, and I said, ye gana hai, and it's Fakira, and when I think of the song, I think of you. So will you please sing on it? So he said, Gana bhej do mujhe, and I sent the song to him. And I think he just generally liked the song. He said, yeah, when are you recording? I'll come. And he came over and he did it. It was very instant. So I just felt I was very lucky.
Can you sing Kabira for us?
It was Fakira.
Fakira, sorry.
So it has a very different feel altogether, but it goes like बन के फकीरा मैं चला जाऊं, जिस घड़ी चाहूं मैं खो जाऊं, बादल बन के मैं फिरूं, बहती नदी सा मैं मुड़ जाऊं, बन के फकीरा मैं चला जाऊं. So yeah, his voice is not in this.
Well, Shubho?
Yeah, wonderful.
Yeah, she just sang the song Fakira for you. That was for you.
Thanks
Yeah.
a lot.
Okay. Well, Shubho, I'm just going to wrap up the show now in a bit. So please go ahead with your last thoughts and comments, or if you have a request.
My best wishes for you guys, and what would you recommend the others, I mean the young ones who would like to venture into
We are
unknown.
also very young. actually.
apart from him,
So you should ask that question to Vikram.
Vikram sir, please enlighten
Please.
our young musician.
Amongst three of us, he is the senior one. We are kids.
Oh, before anything else, sorry, I just wanted to mention we have two more members
Yeah.
of the band.
Yes,
Anugrah Pandey on bass and Shreyans Khurana on drums.
Anugrah Pandey on bass and Shyans, and we are missing you guys.
Yeah.
And next time you call us, please call. We are
Shreyans,
band.
please come and play your parts. I can't play
Yes.
them.
Yeah, Vikram.
Thoughts for
What can I say?
musicians?
Yeah.
What's starting?
Yeah, thought for musician, practice discipline and don't bring politics in music.
Okay. Do not bring
That's very
politics
crucial.
and practice.
Practice.
I think
Okay.
with good heart. I think just
Good
do
heart.
music with a good heart. I think
Good heart.
Don't think about who's doing what is happening,
Yeah.
what's not
Yeah,
happening.
yeah.
Just do your bit of it and just just do it. That's it. Don't
I
think
think
about it.
what I'll also add is, keep the faith and have patience,
Yeah,
because a lot of
patience.
times in music things are so erratic and you don't know when what opportunities will come, when what will happen. It's very important to just be persistent and have patience.
Music is the only religion for love and unity. Yeah.
Yes, that's true. That's true. Yeah. Well, Shubho, thank you so much for joining us on India Post Live. Thank you. Ankit?
Thank you.
Thank you,
guys.
thank you,
Thank you,
Ankit.
thank you.
Yeah, Ankit, please shoot.
Okay. So my last comment would be that it was really nice to hear you. And Vikram sir, from now, I guess I can recommend kids that who are into music that he's the one guy you can look forward to, because he's with a pure heart and he has a really nice message that music is the only thing, the only religion, and without boundaries or something like that. And it was really nice to hear. And do you guys sing covers also?
Yeah, we do a few covers in our own way. We try to do them, but usually now, since we have already a set of 1.5 2 hours of our own songs, we prefer doing more of our originals, because at the end of the day we are all independent artists. We are not really here to do covers. So some of the ones that we really liked and all of us like those, we try to do those in our own way. But other than that, it's mostly our originals that we stick to.
Okay.
Okay, well, Ankit, thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining us. Well, guys, I have to wrap up this show. But before I wrap up this show, I would obviously request a song, of your own. And
Sure.
one last question, if you could just, what's next for Spice Route?
Guwahati and Shillong.
What's next? Yeah, Peace Jam Festival coming up. That's what we are going to do. So we might be playing in Cherrapunji, Kaziranga. I think we are really looking forward to play there, because we don't know how would we play and there'll be lots of animals around. So that is one thing. Then other than that, we are looking at making one new song. That's going to be a very interesting collaboration, but I'm not going to open it right now. You know, all of you who are
That's
watching us, you stay tuned to it, and we'll declare that soon once it happens, and we'll release it.
Facebook.
We'll release it shortly in January. It's going to be a very
www.facebook.com/spiceroute.
Spice Route.
Spice Route, yeah. So just stay tuned to it, and we would share the songs over there, our new videos, whatever we get to record, and plus our new song which we'll develop now. That also we'll be releasing soon. Yeah.
Well, thank you guys so much for joining us on India Post Live. But of course, don't go just yet. You'll have to play the song.
Yeah,
Thank you
sure.
so much. We wish you all the best for your band. Well, that's all we have for you on the show. What do you think of Spice Route? Send us your thoughts and comments on www.indiapostlive.com. You can also send us your tweets to #IndiaPostLive or @IndiaPostLive. You can also go to our Facebook page and post your comments there. Well, before I wrap up the show, one last time, let's hear it for Spice Route.
दिन बुझ गया रात है जल उठी बादलों के आंचल में धूप भी छिप गई तू चल वहाँ जहाँ है तेरे दिल का आशियाँ बता है कहाँ तू चल वहाँ जहाँ है तेरे दिल का आशियाँ बता है कहाँ बता है कहाँ हो भीड़ से इस शोर से आ चले कहीं दूर हम रात का हाथ थाम ले आ चले कहीं दूर हम कुछ नशे में हो जहाँ हो खुद से हो तू रूबरू तू चल वहाँ जहाँ है तेरे दिल का आशियाँ बता है कहाँ बता है कहाँ तू चल वहाँ जहाँ है तेरे दिल का आशियाँ बता है कहाँ बता है कहाँ
Thank you.
This was
That
Ashia
was
for
lovely.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.